afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Justinus Yuniarto from the Jakarta State University or Universitas Negeri Jakarta, Indonesia. As you can see on the screen, I will present my paper with title Review of Empirical Models Variables of Organizational Citizenship Behavior for the Environment. For the introduction, many renowned researchers have invested time and energy to study sustainably corporate management as global environmental conditions deteriorate and business management shifts its focus to ensuring sustainable ecological development, according Ulla et al. Workers' perspectives on the environment are essential to support sustainable management at the business level as they implement business plans. Consequently, in Liu et al., scholars began to pay attention to the idea of organizational citizenship behavior for the environment, or OCBE, in response to the contribution employees make to the long-term success of their organization. Amman et al. Explains that globally, scientists and environmental policy makers agree that human behavior is the main cause of environmental degradation. Problems such as resource shortage, increasing pollution, and loss of biodiversity. As a result, many organizations are moving toward implementing environmental management system or green initiatives to ensure that their daily operations cause as little environmental impact as possible. As such, there is a growing need to understand and influence employee behavior to reduce the unfavorable environmental impact of their work within the organization. For the definitions, although OCBE was developed from OCB, it was found that the two constructs are different according to Lam et al. OCBE variables are among the contemporary variables in SRM research. Gurmani et al. State that from historical perspective, organizational citizenship behavior, hereinafter OCB, and pro-environmental behavior are the source of the OCBE construct. Furthermore, it is explained by Gurmani et al. That Daly et al. And Boiral are researchers who first explore organizational citizenship behavior for environment, which refers to the conceptualizations of OCB and pro-environmental behavior. The above statement is in line with Ulla et al. Zhao, which states that the term of OCBE was first used in 2009 by Daly et al., who defined it as individual and discretionary social behavior that is not explicitly recognized by the official incentive system and leads to more successful environmental management organization. OCBE is a term used describe environmental protection action performed by employees within a company that are often not recognized or mandated by the company formal reward structure. OCBE is a useful addition to citizen environmental protection practice and corporate green development strategies. Han and He and Kim. In general, OCBE is characterized as environment improvement effort undertaken voluntarily by employees of organizations. According to Daly et al., OCBE is optional and may not be explicitly recognized in formal incentive system and promotes more effective environment management in organizations. According to an expansion of the term by Boyer and Paley. This OCBE concept is in accordance with the definition of OCBE from Danish origin, which emphasizes that employee OCBE goes above and beyond what is required by formal role description and supports the preparation of growing of the context in which they work. These are OCBE dimensions according to Boyer and Paley 2012, eco-initiative, eco-civic engagement, and eco-helping. Research methods. The analysis method used is a literature study. The data used in this article are articles that have been published in Scopus Indexes, an international journal from 2019 and 2023. Collecting articles in international journals indexed by Scopus as a time span of 2019 until 2023 through the Publish or Perish application, collected with a small number of 18 articles related to OCBE, because OCBE is a relatively contemporary variable. From these 18 scientific articles, the model framework was analyzed. Based on the analysis, a new model is created that can be used as a model from further research. In the next table below, data about authors who use OCBE variables as their research variables are presented. There are 18 articles, and dimensions indicator are 3: eco-initiative, eco-civic engagement, and eco-helping. Conclusions. Based on the explanations of previous studies on OCBE, the development of the research model or research framework is obtained from research conducted by number 1, Jiang et al. The title is Linking Empowering Leadership and Organizational Citizenship Behavior Toward Environment, the Role of Psychological Ownership and Future Time Perspective. Number 2, Ulah et al., Leadership Styles and Organizational Citizenship Behavior for the Environment, the Mediating Role of Self-Efficacy and Psychological Ownership. This is the conceptual model. Jiang et al. Show that OCBE and leadership empowerment are positively correlated through the mechanism of employee psychological ownership. In addition, it was found that when employees have a high future time perspective rather than a low future time perspective, the indirect effect is stronger. And then Ulah et al. Empirically showing that the influence of responsible, inclusive, sincere, and sportive leadership style on employee OCBE is supported by empirical findings. The findings show even more clearly that psychological belongingness and self-efficacy act as mediators between leadership and OCBE. This is the conceptual model of the new conceptual model of OCBE. The hypothesis developed is as follows. Hypothesis 1. Empowering leadership has a positive effect on psychological ownership. Responsible leadership has a positive effect on psychological ownership. Empowering leadership has a positive effect on psychological ownership. Responsible leadership has a positive effect on psychological ownership. Hypothesis 5. Psychological ownership has a positive effect on OCBE. Hypothesis 6. Empowering leadership has a positive effect on OCBE through psychological ownership as a mediator. And then hypothesis 7. Responsible leadership has a positive effect on OCBE through psychological ownership as a mediator. For the suggestion and acknowledgements, further research should be carried out covering more fields regarding OCBE variables so that the model form can be more varied for future studies. And we would like to thank the Jakarta State University for assisting in the completion of this research. These are the references. Thank you very much for your attention.